We had arrived in the town of Tequila in Mexico, a city with 45,000 people and the origin of the world-famous tequila drink. The town of Tequila is located not far from the big city of Guadalajara. In this video you will see the town and also how tequila is made, from plant to factory and then finally to a bottle of tequila. Hello everybody and welcome to the town of Tequila. We started traveling last week from the town of Puerto Vallarta in the very west part of Mexico. We used public transportation, passed by some small colonial towns and then came in to Guadalajara, which is one of the bigger cities here in Mexico. From there we took a bus into Tequila. So today we're gonna be exploring the town and also see how they make the tequila in the factories. We had stayed in a hotel for a few days in the big town of Guadalajara in Mexico, but got on a bus to head over to the town of Tequila. A round trip had cost us 180 pesos or almost $10. We were still in the west side of Mexico and the state of Jalisco and had gone 2 hours up northwest to the town of Tequila. Maria got her coffee.
I finished it.
So we're gonna walk over now to the tequila tour over here. So we're gonna be walking over here now to the distillery, and that's where we're gonna start the tour from. Here's the Jose Cuervo distillery, and we are just waiting for one of the vehicles that are gonna be taking us around town to the fields, and then we're also gonna go in here. We had walked down to the starting point of the famous tequila tours and could see the tequila buses coming in. So the vehicle has arrived. It looks like some kind of big barrel of tequila maybe. I just had to go and buy a little snack real quick since this tour is gonna be more than 2 hours. We paid 250 pesos each for this tour, so a total of $25. I got a little drink here and it's gonna be really interesting to see how they make the tequilas, and this is where it comes from the very beginning. More and more buses passed by from all the tequila tours, and we were finally getting into our tequila bus. We were 25 people in the tequila bus and on our way to the first stop, the fields of the agave plants, also known as the tequila plants.
Tener nuestro mercadito de comidas, Cleofas Mota.
We had arrived a bit out of the town at one of the many tequila fields. So we got off the bus here at the first stop, the tequila field. So many tequila plants here all over. I'm standing here now right next to all the thousands of tequila plants, and I've learned that it's the middle part of the plant that they use to make tequila. They cut off all the leaves that you can see here sticking out, and then I think they steam the middle part, but I'm about to find out more when we come into the distillery later on today. We're gonna go for a little walk here now between the plants. They're so sharp. There are also some kind of sharp things on the leaves. Hello! Can you believe it? This is where the tequila comes from. The tequila that you're drinking. This is where it all originated, in the town of Tequila, out here in the plants and the fields. Well, unfortunately we have to go. We're gonna try to take a picture here real quick with all the plants since they are so famous. But they are waving now for us over here, so we have to go. We were last to get on the bus. The next stop would be the distillery, where we would learn how they make the tequila. It's a really beautiful place here, a bunch of fountains and also more tequila plants. So the name of this distillery, we have it here on the building, La Rienda. We were on our way further into the factory with the rest of the group. Here we have some huge cylinders, and this is where they create most of the tequila in these cylinders, is what I understood from the guy speaking Spanish over here.
Una vez que lo depositamos en el suelo, tarda hasta 7 años.
So now we're about to walk over here to the main part of the factory where they actually have all the middle parts of the plants, as I was speaking about earlier. Here we can see some, it looks like round balls of the plant, and all the leaves have been cut off. We arrived to the main part of the distillery. Here we saw huge cylinders that they fill up with the plants. The core part of the plant is the size of a basketball, and they use excavators to pack the cylinders with the tequila plants. The plants were cut in half by the workers, as the excavator brought them to the cylinders. We're walking over to the next part here, and I got a piece of the plant, so we're gonna try it. Doesn't taste like much actually. I learned that the plants get steamed for about 80 hours, and then the flesh of the plants gets shredded and the agave juice is extracted. We're up here walking now, and this is where we have all the tequila in these cylinders. You can see some of them are full and some of them are like half full here. The fermentation process takes place in the cylinders as yeast is added and alcohol created. After this stage, the distillation process starts, where the juices are boiled in different cylinders and the alcohol fumes condense into higher alcohol content liquid, and then it's finished in another cylinder. So I know a little bit more about the process now. We're walking to the next part, a little entrance here. We came down to a basement where all the tequila barrels were stored. So this is where the tequila sits for as long as possible. The longer it sits, the better apparently it tastes.
200 litros. Si ese tequila adentro de la barrica.
So now we're gonna be leaving the basement here and the tequila. We're actually gonna get to try the tequila. They're gonna give us 4 different types of tequila that they make here in the factory. This is tequila blanco that we're gonna try now. We enjoyed our trip to the distillery, and on the way out, the tour guide showed us the tequila. One of them cost 195 pesos, which is almost $10 US. So we came out of the distillery here now, and I've learned that all the tequilas in here are made from 100% tequila. So in other types of alcohol, you can make it from potatoes, for example, or apples or bananas, any kind of fruit that gets fermented. We're on our way back now from the tour through the town again. We are back. We are out of the tour and back on the streets here in Tequila. We're gonna find a restaurant now and see what kind of food you can get here in Tequila. And also there is a square here where they sell a bunch of tequila. Here is the main square and also the famous tequila sign. Every town in Mexico has a sign with colorful letters. We're walking through town now, and here is a really old church. We're sitting here at the restaurant now after our tequila tour, and I got quesadillas con arrachera, some kind of Mexican meat, and I think Maria also got the same.
Yeah, well I just got a salad with arrachera meat, and then I also ordered a hamburger. We're gonna split that.
Yeah, and we have a nice view here over the square. A bunch of people are running around here. The food is almost here. I did get my Coca-Cola Light. I don't know if it's better for your teeth than regular Coca-Cola, but cheers. Now we got the food. I got 3 quesadillas with a bunch of melted cheese. The cheese is almost dripping from the quesadilla, and some sauce chili sauce, lettuce. We also got some jalapeno, right? And one hamburger just split, and also a salad. Nom, 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 nom. I put a jalapeno in it also. Oh, it's dripping a bit. Good. We also got some chips with the hamburger. It's really good. We paid a total of 190 pesos for all the food and my Coca-Cola. So that's almost 10 US dollars, which was a pretty good price. It's a bit cheaper here in the mainland of Mexico, I've noticed. Actually much cheaper than by the coast. We're going back now to the hotel where we are staying. Also pretty cheap, 500 pesos per night, 25 US dollars. It's not bad for 500 pesos, $25. The bathroom is pretty big, and we have one bed here also. Great success. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna try the bed here because I think it will break. Because when I bounce, my ass hits the bottom like real quickly. So it wouldn't be a good rating for the bed anyways. But we have a nice bathroom here, also a little fan, but no AC. There's also a little balcony that we have, and you can see some of the cars and people from here. The Tequila sign in the square is just over here, like a 2-minute walk. We went to have some snacks. I bought some milk from Oxo and some noodles, and we rested a bit in the bed, but we're getting ready to go out and film some more and explore the town a bit more. Also buy some tequila, drink some tequila. Now the time has finally come where we are gonna be going out on the street and try the tequila. And what else are we gonna do?
Well, the town square is where they have all these carts that sell like different types of variations of these drinks.
Let's go! We're out on the street here, and you can see they're selling tequila in like big bottles, like a gallon or 4 liters. We're coming into the main square here again to try the tequila, which we have been planning to do now for the past couple of hours. So here we have all the drinks, tequila stands, and also all the cups are made out of clay. So you get to keep the cup when you buy a drink. You can take it home as a souvenir. So that's what we're gonna do. Buy a drink. They have a bunch of different kind of drinks here also.
¿En 2.50?
Quiero una paloma.
¿Ah, una paloma?
Sin
Sí,
sal.
claro.
Sin sal.
¿De ese mismo tamaño o de otro?
Now I'm gonna try out the drink here with the tequila sign in the background. Maria is right here also. She also got the same drink as I did. It's pretty good. It's not all that strong actually. I thought it would be more strong. They put some, what did they put in the drink? What was the name of the drink again?
A paloma.
A paloma. Lime juice, mineral water, tequila, and some kind of
Grapefruit
soda,
juice.
grapefruit juice. Yeah, pretty good. I tried it already. I've been watching people take pictures here in front of the Tequila sign. The line is always long here. Also yesterday when we were here, the line was huge, constantly huge. Maria just also went to get a drink here. So I'm sitting here by myself. I had one drink of this tequila. It was pretty good. Soy un borracho de Suecia. Not. I think we might stand in the line here to take a picture with the tequila sign.
Hey!
Now finally there's no more line here to the tequila sign, so we're gonna go and try to take a picture. Since nobody's here, I think it's about to rain, so everybody left except for us. The storm is coming. We have a bunch of dust in our eyes because it started, the wind started picking up and all the dust was like coming on the street. So we're about to eat something here, but I think I'm gonna end this video here actually because the rain is coming for sure. But in the next video we're gonna go to a really incredible waterfall here in Tequila. So if you want to see that video, click the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But thank you for watching, and please leave this video a thumbs up, post a comment, and again don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.